Hello everyone. Today we will study about lab preparation of hydrogen. In the lab, hydrogen is prepared by the reaction between active metal and dilute acid. Okay, so let's start lab preparation of hydrogen in detail. First of all, you should know name of the reactant used and why they are used. Reactant used are granulated zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid. Now the question is why granulated zinc is used. Granulated zinc is a commercial variety of zinc which contain copper as impurity, and copper act as a catalyst and speed up the reaction. So this is one of the reason why granulated zinc is preferred. Second reason, it is porous in nature, whereas pure zinc is non-porous and its reaction with acid is slow. So that is why granulated zinc is preferred. Okay, then why nitric acid is not used, not even in dilute form? Because it is very strong oxidizing agent and it will oxidize hydrogen to water. That is why we cannot use dilute nitric acid or concentrated nitric acid. Even concentrated sulfuric acid also cannot be used for the same reason. It will release sulfur dioxide, okay, not hydrogen. So this point try to remember. Then you should know reaction. Here zinc is active metal. When it react with acid, dilute acid, it will displace hydrogen because it is placed above hydrogen in the activity series. So displacement reaction will take place. Zinc will displace hydrogen to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen. If it react with hydrochloric acid, it will form zinc chloride and hydrogen. So this is reaction. Now little bit about apparatus also I will explain a little bit only. Just see the apparatus. A conical or flat bottom flask is used and it is fitted with a thistle funnel in one mouth and a delivery tube in the other, and other end of the delivery tube is inserted in one of the hole of a beehive shells which is placed in a trough of water, and a gas jar filled with water is placed in which position? Inverted position over beehive shell. What is the role of this one? It is used for the collection of gas. Okay, so a little bit about apparatus. Now granulated zinc is placed in flask and dilute acid is poured with the help of thistle funnel. So what will be the first observation? A brisk effervescence is seen. Why? Due to release of hydrogen gas. Zinc react with dilute acid, whether it is hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, to form salt and hydrogen. So this effervescence is seen due to release of hydrogen gas. Okay, this is clear. Then what you should know? Purification. Okay, purification is very important. Before collection of gas should be free from any impurities. Granulated zinc is impure zinc. So when it react with either dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, releases many gases as impurities in traces only. So before collection of hydrogen gas, these impurities should be removed by passing the gas through different solution. So that name you should learn. Okay, so first, so impurities can be removed from hydrogen by passing it through different solution. Number one, conical flask contains silver nitrate solution which absorb arsine and phosphine. Okay, so you should remember that silver nitrate is used to remove which impurities? Arsine and phosphine. Then second flask contain lead nitrate solution. Lead nitrate solution will absorb hydrogen sulfide. And then third flask contain potassium hydroxide solution which absorb many gases like nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. And last, in U tube, what is kept? Drying agent, anhydrous calcium chloride, which absorb moisture without chemically reacting with it. So what drying agent is used? Anhydrous calcium chloride is used to dry hydrogen. Okay, this is clear. So, now purified gas can be collected. So, next what you should learn, method of collection. Hydrogen gas is collected by the downward displacement of water. Why it is collected by this method, downward displacement of water? Because it is almost insoluble in water. That is why it is collected over water by the downward displacement of water. One more question normally asked, hydrogen is lighter than air, still it is not collected over air. Why? Because it forms explosive mixture with air. That is why though it is lighter than air, it is not collected by the downward displacement of air. Hydrogen gas is collected by the downward displacement of water. Okay, this point is clear. Then one thing more you should remember, that pure and dry hydrogen is collected over mercury also. But method of collection, you write this only, it is collected by the downward displacement of water. Then what you should know, certain precaution also. No leakage of gas should take place and no flame must be near the apparatus. Why? Because hydrogen is combustible gas, combustible in nature, and it forms explosive mixture with air. Okay, and hydrogen is collected after all the air in the apparatus is allowed to escape. How to check this one, whether hydrogen is free from air? Hydrogen when mixed with air, it burns with a pop sound, and pure hydrogen burns silently with the blue flame. Okay, so with this test we can check whether hydrogen is pure or mixed with air. Okay, one more precaution, the end of the thistle funnel should dip below the level of the dilute acid in the flask. Otherwise, hydrogen gas may escape through the funnel also. So, these are certain precautions that we should take. So, this is lab preparation. I hope it is clear. That's it.